So, good morning all of you. Myself Dr. M.G. Maniar, M.Pharm PhD, working as an Associate Professor and HOD at College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. Today's topic of my presentation is practice school and project work in B Pharmacy, as most of the colleges are going to this curriculum first time. So, in this, first of all, we will see what exactly practice school and what is project work. So, practice school, it comes in 7th semester. It is of 150 marks. Out of that, 25 marks for CM and 125 marks for the end semester exam. So, the student have to submit a report in triplicate of not more than 25 pages. And the end semester exam, which will be of 125 marks, which will be conducted by the subject experts at college level. And project work, it is in 8th semester, which is also of 150 marks, and student also here have to submit a report in triplicate, but it is of more than 25 pages, while in practice school it is not more than 25 pages. Here it is more than 25 pages, while the end semester exam of 150 marks will be conducted by the internal and external examiner appointed by the university. So, this is the another difference in this. The practice school exam will be college level exam, while it is university level exam. So, what is the objective of practice school and project work? It is to enable the student to implement the knowledge they gain while studying the B Pharmacy. So, in a practical way. So, they will expose to the problem solving, whatever problem they will occur during this practice school and project work, that student have to solve on the basis of the knowledge they gain in the previous semester or ongoing semester, to permit or to allow the students to apply or refine their skills gain during the study, to improve attitude and discipline in the students, and to increase the students' employability. At last, students will be more employable because they actually faced the problems in a practical way on their own. So, it is these are the objectives of this practice school and project work. The next is how to select a topic. Here it comes that student have to select a topic for the practice school and project work. So, as per the PCI syllabus, for the project work, they have mentioned the student should select the topic depending upon the elective subjects they have selected. So, the student have to select a topic from the elective subjects of the 8th semester for the project work. Then it should be of student interest. The student may have interest in pharmacology, so it should go likewise, or it may have interest in zootics or chemistry, like this. So, they can go in there as per their interest. Then another point they have to consider is facility available at college premises. The facility available at college premises is another one important point while considering or while selecting a topic. Then next is whether they are going for in collaboration with an industry or solely in an institute. As project work is in 8th semester, they also have some compulsory theory subjects which they have to attend at the college. So, now at present they can't go wholly in an industry. So, they might go for collaboration with an industry. Some part of the project they may go do in industry, and some part they may do at institute, or solely at institute they can go. So, which are the elective subjects? So, these are the elective subjects given by the PCI. Depending upon these elective subjects, college will decide at as per their availability of the all resources, they will decide the elective subjects. Depending upon the elective subject, student have to take their project work topic. But if you do this at this is elective subjects comes at 8th semester, but if you do this at 7th semester, student may get extra time to do the work. They can compile project work as well as practice school in one. Means they can submit a reports in separate, but they can do the work at that combined project for practice school as well as project work, so that they will gain more knowledge as well as they will have more time to do it. So these are the elective subjects, basically divided into different basic subjects of pharmacy, like marketing management, then regulatory science, then pharmacovigilance, then quality control and standardization of herbals, cell molecular biology, cosmetic science, advanced instrumentation techniques, dietary supplements and nutraceuticals. Depending upon that subjects or their interest or the facilities available at the college, they can select the subject depending upon these subjects. So what is basic difference between practice school and project work? So in project work, we have to conduct this practice school and project work at institute or in collaboration with an industry. Student can conduct practice school as well as project work. At which period it is? So practice school it is at 7th semester, while project work it has 8th semester. How they should conduct this? In practice school as such, they have not mentioned whether it is individual or in a group, but in project work they have mentioned individual or in a group of more than not 5 students, not more than 5 students. That the group should be not more of less than 5 students. Then marks, in practice school it is of 125 marks and 25 marks. Totally it is of 150 marks. Out of that 25 marks are continuous mode and 125 marks are of college level exam, as we have discussed earlier. In project work it is of 150 marks. Then what they have to submit, in both cases they have to submit triplicate copies of their report, in which in practice school it should not be more than 25 pages, while it should be more than, in case of project work it should be more than 25 pages. Evaluation, then practice school as we have discussed, it is at institute level with continuous mode evaluation, and in project work they have mentioned, PCI has not mentioned any continuous mode, but end semester exam in presence of external, it will be a university level exam, while practice school it is of institute level exam. Then what is the evaluation of project work? PCI has given specifically how they are going, the college should evaluate project work. So evaluation of dissertation book, it is divided into two types basically: evaluation of dissertation book and evaluation of presentation. Out of that evaluation of dissertation book, it is of 75 marks, it including objective, methodology adopted, results and discussion and conclusion, while evaluation of presentation includes presentation of work, communication skill, question and answer skills, it is of 75 marks. Totally it is of 150 marks. 150 marks. If student is doing the project work in group, then dissertation book, whatever marks of 75 marks, out of 75 marks for the dissertation book, all students in the group will get same marks, while for presentation it will be awarded based on their performance of individual students. So individual student have to give the presentation, though they are doing in a group. Then this is from my side, I am going proposing this evaluation for the practice school, as they have not mentioned, they have mentioned only marks in their syllabus. So for continuous mode they have given 25 marks, and college level exam which is of 125 marks. In my opinion, it should be of presentation. So in continuous mode we can divide the 25 marks into attendance for 5 marks, practical work it is of 10 marks, and student teacher interaction for 10 marks. So this practical work will be day to day activity, how they are doing in a group or in an individual, at an individual maybe. So college level exam which is of 125 marks at the end semester of 7th semester. Then the methodology adopted by the students, it is of 25 marks. Then presentation, how they are presenting, communication skill, question and answer skills, as it is mentioned in project work, and the outcome, what outcome they achieved, whether they have published paper, whether they have applied for patent, or whether they have a final product, whatever it is, depending on that outcome we can give them 25 marks. So this is the proposed evaluation of practice school from my side. So this is all about the practice school and project work. Thank you.